Kitty Cap here, 26, for just do the repair and tips, and we're going to do a test here on a Alumilite resin, and I'm going to show you the effects of Alumilite resin when it's heated with a flame. So stay tuned. So we have this Alumilite slow set resin, and let's put the flame to it. Okay, with the torch. Okay, it is burning, so it will catch on fire. So the stuff is flammable. Okay, so just let you know. Alright, there's the effects of it. So when you're storing this stuff, make sure you keep it away from heat and all heat sources, open flames, because it's very volatile. It could explode. This is the video I want to do today for you, to make you realize what you're dealing with when you're dealing with resins. And I hope you have a great day. Please rate and subscribe and ring the little bell. Thanks for watching.